Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drones under $500 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Did you know that you can get amazing, high-quality drones for under $500? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, today we're diving into the best budget-friendly drones that deliver top-tier performance without breaking the bank. From stunning 4K video to long flight times, you won't believe the features packed into these affordable options. Stick around, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these incredible drones. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drones under $500. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Neo. Looking for one of the best drones under $500 that combines portability, power, and impressive features? The DJI Neo might just be the perfect match for you. At just 135 g, this lightweight drone is so easy to carry around, it fits right into your pocket. Imagine capturing 4K ultra-stabilized video during your outdoor adventures without breaking a sweat. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just hanging out, Neo follows you like a pro with subject tracking and QuickShots modes for cinematic footage. What really sets the DJI Neo apart from other drones in this price range is its controller-free flying capabilities, making it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a more effortless flying experience. Add in 54 minutes of flight time with the 3-battery combo, and you've got a drone that's both fun and functional. For under $500, it's an incredible value. On number 4 is DJI Flip. If you're looking for one of the best drones under $500, the DJI Flip is a standout option you can't miss. What makes it special? First off, it features a stunning 4K camera with HDR video at 60 frames per second, perfect for capturing crisp, cinematic footage on the go. The best part? It's lightweight and doesn't require FAA registration, making it easy for beginners to dive right in. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, this drone keeps you exploring without constant battery swaps. Plus, the full coverage carbon fiber propeller guards ensure safe flights, even for the clumsy among us. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just having a family get-together, the DJI Flip subject tracking keeps everything in focus, making it feel like you have a personal cinematographer. If you want great value in a compact, affordable package, the DJI Flip is one of the best drones you can get under $500. On number 3 is Holystone HS900. Looking for the best drone under $500 that delivers high-quality footage without breaking the bank? Let me introduce you to the Holystone HS900. This drone is a game-changer, offering a professional-grade 4K camera with a Sony 2.3-foot SHMO sensor for stunning 48MP photos and crisp 4K videos at 30 FPS. And the best part? It weighs only 249 g, which means no FAA registration required, making it perfect for hobbyists and beginners alike. The Holystone HS900 is equipped with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, offering smooth shots even in winds up to 38 km per hour. Plus, its impressive 20,000-foot transmission range and intelligent control system ensure you'll capture breathtaking footage from a distance. With features like GPS auto-return, QuickShots, and visual tracking, this drone is perfect for capturing epic aerial moments with ease. At just $399, it's undoubtedly one of the best drones under $500 on the market. On number 2 is Potensic ATOM 3. If you're on the hunt for one of the best drones under $500, the Potensic ATOM 3 is a serious contender you don't want to miss. Weighing under 249 grams, this palm-sized powerhouse doesn't require FAA registration, making it ideal for those just starting out. But don't let its small size fool you. It's packed with features like a 12MP camera that shoots 4K video, delivering crisp, professional-grade footage. Plus, with a 3-axis gimbal, you'll get smooth shots even in gusty winds. The ATOM 3 comes with up to 96 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 3 included batteries and a 6-kilometer transmission range for extended exploration. Whether you're capturing dynamic quick shots or using visual tracking for a cinematic experience, this drone is beginner-friendly yet packed with creative features. At just $359, the Potensic ATOM 3 is a great option for anyone looking to get into aerial photography without breaking the bank. Now moving to the last one is Holy Stone GPS. Looking for a reliable drone under $500? The Holy Stone HS110G could be your perfect match, and here's why. For just $159.99, you're getting a GPS-equipped drone with intelligent features like auto return, follow me, and custom flight paths. Imagine flying with the peace of mind that your drone will safely return home if it loses signal or power. The 1080p HD camera captures stunning aerial footage, while the altitude control system ensures smooth, stable flights, even for beginners. With a 984-foot control range and up to 26 minutes of flight time, this drone delivers an incredible balance of performance and value. Its compact design, thanks to detachable propellers, makes it super portable for all your adventures. If you're searching for one of the best drones under $500 that's beginner-friendly yet full of features, the Holy Stone HS110G is a fantastic choice. So guys, this was the video about the best drones under $500. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. Tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.